Okay guys, hello, this is Max from Aquamile and today I have Track Run motor, yes? Wow, amazing. So, why it's amazing? Because I collect here all of mid-drive conversion kit motors from the industry, from Chinese factories. So I'm here to check one by one which is better, which is worse, and to propose you the best option, yes? So the last motor also we observe, this is Tongshank motor, you know it, that is the 8, yes, and also this is TO7 motor. Also I checked this motor in the video before. So also in future I plan to check this Neko motor. Small one, but I hope will be interesting. And this is Track Run, yes? So basically I'm going to compare this motor with our like best ever legendary motor Bafang BBS 02, yes? I hope Track Run check a lot of reviews about BBS and they try to fix BBS problems, yes? But I know nothing about this Track Run motor, so it will be very interesting now to check inside. And for me, firstly I see quite good design. So they try to copy BBS HD, but of course this is Track Run smaller one. And also interesting thing that the chain wheel is suitable from BBS HD to this Track Run. Yes, because firstly, as I see, they made metal cover for output gear and adjust here bearing, which is quite good. And that's all. Let's take a look here. Nothing. We can put our label here. Quality is pretty okay. This is the chain wheel for this motor. Average quality, yes, but also it's enough. And they made a solution like this with screws, so double screw. I don't like the design, the screw, but also it's okay. So firstly, let's try to turn on. Yes, I will connect everything and turn on the motor, and we will try to listen to it. And connect display. The cable is the same like BBS motor. And they have the display, Track Run display, which is also nice. Here we have in the box the cable, which we need to cut a little bit. So give me a few minutes, I will prepare the battery and connect the battery to the motor. Also I want to show you the box. Yes, I open everything and prepare on my table, but the box looks like this. So you receive average quality box. Okay guys, okay, I connected to the battery this motor, or I turn on it. So here is display, and this is the bottom. You can change assist levels. So let's start in the mode number 1. Okay. first impression, it sounds like BBS HD. And here we have path sensor, yes, because it reacts on rotation. The same like in BBS, so quarter, 1/4. This motor isn't noisy like middle one, so it's okay. Rotation on different assist levels is the same. Guys, I don't know, I turn off the display and it's still working. So you see, I didn't create anything. Sorry, Trackram, I don't know what's going on, but display doesn't work, but still rotating. And throttle works. Okay, so we just can turn on the display, but motor still works. Very cool. Okay, let's disconnect display. Doesn't work. Okay, so some kind of bug. Okay, so I saw it was some Bluetooth connection with phone maybe. I turn off, now I cannot turn on. And the interesting thing that motor is still working. Okay guys, what to do? Okay, I turn off the battery. I turn on the battery. So I push this button. Okay, cool. So for example, I keep going, riding, make some fun, and I stop and turn off. Okay, and turn on. And I cannot turn on. Okay, maybe it is some problem with display. Yes, okay. So let's imagine that every time we need to turn off from the battery. Okay, this is small problem. I think guys can fix this one. So it sounds okay. Let's open the motor. Okay, let's move on. So our task for today to open the motor. I will try to unscrew the controller without a cover for gear, because this is kind of suitable to repair. It goes very hard, so I suppose there is some glue, which is okay. Okay, so I see controller. They used a seal which is not good enough for here, and they glued the seal, and that's why it's already like destroyed, yes, damaged. I need to change seal, yes. But the most like annoying for me, yes, there is no waterproof for rotor and stator, you see, so there is a hole. Yeah, of course, it's quite like convenient to have one hole, not like in Buffon, but it's not waterproof. And also the cables here is small, so this is like phases cables, looks like for 250 watt motor, 500 watt. For me is enough. It's 500 watt. Okay, so let's open stator and rotor. Okay, we open the motor. What can I say? Quality maybe is enough for usual riding. This stator for me looks like the fan M400, and rotor also quite the same. These cables a little bit tiny for this power, and as I see, quality of assembling is bad, because here when they assemble seal, they put it in the wrong way. Magnet field is not strong enough because I remove by my hand, so it means that it's kind of 250 watt motor. Bearing is okay. Stator is also okay. Stator is also okay. Blue nylon gear I already saw on Shank motor, yes, or the 7 motor also, so looks like enough for 500 watt. I don't familiar a lot of with track run motors, but I saw a huge booth of this company on Eurobike show in 2024 in a very good place. As they wrote on webpage, they were founded in 2017, and Track Run currently covers more than 40 countries and regions worldwide. Actually, I didn't see their motors around, but maybe in future I will have some experience. They also have interesting and funny webpage. Okay, so the housing and the structure is the same like in BBS. Now I will open output gear. Need to remove the screw. Metal cover is always better than plastic. So we see normal output gear. Everything looks like BBS HD. Usual clutch and axle. And this part is pass sensor magnet disc, and I see some glue over here. So I will try to remove this axle. First I remove seal, and axle goes away. So this motor follows BBS HD structure. Okay guys, so like summary, I think this motor is okay, and it's like a small copy of BBS HD motor from Bafang, and as we see, it has pass sensor, and the power like 250-350 watt, I think, and of course engineers from Track Run need to improve quality, yes, and fix some software problems as we saw on this video. Okay, so I wish you guys good luck, keep following us, and subscribe to our channel, ask a question, and I will try to answer and check all motors from the industry, and just for you that you can choose which you like most. Bye bye.